A futuristic city skyline glows with neon lights and floating AI circuits. Narration. The year is 2025. AI is everywhere, transforming the way we live, work, and create. Today, we explore the 5 AI tools leading this revolution. Visuals. Holographic screens, flying drones, dynamic camera movement, glowing AI patterns. Show Notion AI interface on a holographic laptop screen. Narration. Number 5. Notion AI. More than a note-taking app, it can write emails, plan projects, and brainstorm ideas. Your smart coworker. Available 24 septième. Visuals. People typing on laptops. AI. Generated glowing text. Animated task boards. Light particles floating. Focus on a futuristic microphone with glowing sound waves. Narration. Number 4. ElevenLabs. Ultra-realistic AI voices. Perfect for podcasts, YouTube videos, or films. You can't even tell if it's AI or human. Visuals. Voice waveform animation. Floating holographic microphones. Sound waves pulsing in neon colors. Studio lights. Show cinematic AI. Generated video clips appearing in midair. Narration. Number 3. Runway Gen-3. Type a description and watch it turn into cinematic video instantly. Creativity now has no limits. Visuals. Text transforming into 3D video clips, floating film reels, glowing digital effects, smooth camera pans. Show a futuristic AI chatbot hologram interacting with people. Narration. Number 2. ChatGPT 5. Your ultimate AI assistant. It can converse, advise, draft documents, and manage tasks like a human colleague. Visuals. Holographic interface. Digital AI brain. People amazed interacting with floating text bubbles and glowing circuits. Show a humanoid robot performing tasks in a futuristic home. Narration. Number 1. Tesla Optimus. This humanoid robot helps with chores, factory work, and learns over time. The future of AI companionship is here. Visuals. Robot interacting with humans. Glowing AI circuits. Futuristic home environment. Smooth camera tracking. Futuristic city at night. Glowing neon lights and AI holograms everywhere. Narration. These are the top 5 AI tools of 2025, reshaping our world faster than ever. Which one excites you the most? Comment below and subscribe for more tech updates. Visuals. Dynamic camera zoom out. Holographic subscribe button. AI visual effects pulsing in rhythm with light particles.